How to blur photos in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily blur images in Canva in just few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Canva and then go to uploads on the left hand side and choose the photo that you want to blur. Tap on it, and once you have adjusted the photo, you will see edit option on the top. Go ahead and tap on it and then scroll down. There you'll see the blur option right there. Tap on it and now choose the areas that you want to blur and just move the brush around, and then that's it. You can see that the parts that you have just used the brush on is blurred. It's as simple as that. Now you can even increase or decrease the brush size, the intensity, or if you don't like it, you can remove the blur as well. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.